Old rinky dinky engine stand right now. Piece of shit. Try to pull the pistons out. Got a number them before you pull them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looking good. Big click guy. First bolt.
How is it?
That's not good.
It's not bad though.
Put that in the actual thing. The crank looks good still. Like the crank looks good still, but that looks fucked up. First piston.
Just some beefy rods. Stock,
Beef rods, small piston head compared to the 2J piston head.
Yeah, pull that for.
Yeah, it's almost out.
Yeah, it's just the last ring. Push it up a little bit.
I can't.
Yeah.
I can barely push it up. That's as much as I can do with the piston ring there.
Ready?
Yep. It's out.
This one's looking better. I mean, it is number 1, so it's probably gonna have the best oil pressure. Look at all the oil still on it. It's like none when we pulled that one off. They all look good.
We'll check these ones out.
They're all gonna get cleaned. New rings. So the stock rods and pistons are pretty beefy, so I'm gonna end up keeping those because I just want to keep it NA. Before I go.
I didn't even know.
Really?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Oh shit! Your NA 2J don't got those.
Nope.
Well, I'm gonna keep these. I want to do like a 400 horsepower NA build. Maybe get an exhaust can. Maybe, I don't know. Just try and keep it simple. I don't want to go overboard on this. We would be pulling the crank out, but I do not have the socket to take off the girdle. I do not have an inverted Torx this size, so I'll have to get one of those before I pull this off. You see those oil squirters? Oh, that's pretty sweet. I did not know this had this. Fun fact about these pistons: the skirts are asymmetrical to help with wear because it's a V6. I think that's pretty cool. Where is it? Oh, dude, I have that.
Feel that one right there.
I have that from the 2J.
Feel that.
Ooh, that's sharp.
Yeah, the head bolt's not supposed to feel that right.
Yeah,
They all like
they
that.
look like stripped. Like that
But
one
like
looks
they're
like
That one
not.
feels a little
Gentry,
funny.
that one is literally stripped.
Well, this one is rebuilt, isn't it?
That one is literally stripped. Yeah.
Yeah. That's stripped tight. Fuck, that's not gonna be fun. These ones over here are perfect though. They fucked up the head bolts. Putting on the new
These
head.
look fine.
Yeah, he literally fucked up putting on. That is gone.
I need a fucking light. Where's the light?
That shit is literally rounded out. Bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, I have that socket because my 2J was that.
It's like like the bottom of them looks fine, but like the top of it's just fucked. It's like he didn't get the socket all the way in there, and he just started fucking cranking it down.
Yeah, I stripped it out.
Fuck, dude. Hey, just fucking queefing on me, bro. Watch your fucking shoulder.
I'm gonna smack it in the face.
Run my foot over.
Woo! Horrible sound.
You gotta do it all over again.
Yeah, I gotta do it. Have to do it to the other head. Oh, that was a good one.
Nope, it's good. And I think it's just this one left.
Yeah. I'm pushing that.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Is that all of them? I think that's all of them.
Goodness.
Them are tight.
Some tight ass fucking bolts.
Now the other ones are stripped. That's
Sure, if you want to.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh.
We're good. Keep on.
It won't let me go any further. There we go.
I don't know where some space is for your Gent.
Oh, yeah.
Lift up the one closer to the back of the table. The cam's closer to the back of the table.
Dude, the walls are fucking good.
Get it off.
It's down. That's just gonna go right on top of this.
Look at these water jackets.
Like, the deck surfacing is good.
Yeah, that's actually really nice.
The gasket looks pretty good.
I mean, it's freshly rebuilt, so I'm not.
The gasket looks pretty good.
On the like 7th, yeah. We're gonna have to like do it now. So it says like this one is like
That noise is so
they
fucking
make a
awful.
scary
Damn.
tingling noise.
See a stance?
Power stance. How many you got left?
Like
2.
I think it's just this one. The other one.
This one.
Oh shit!
And then whatever's in the front over there.
This one doesn't have any front ones.
Cool. Oh.
That was a painful one.
Alright, grab the impacts.
All right. For how stripped those look, that
They came out
had
pretty
no
easily. They came out
issues.
pretty easily.
We were pretty scared.
I'm probably gonna get new head bolts
Yeah,
for this
you
side.
have
I
to.
fucking cut the shit.
Get some
out of my hand.
ARPs.
You got the
Yes.
ARP headsets.
They just didn't replace the piston when it smacked a valve.
I was told that. Am I holding this right now?
Actually, I take it back. I don't know why.
How are the cylinder walls? Let's spin this. So we're gonna have to take out these, all these, and then there's a whole bunch of 12 mils all the way around. So we're gonna have to get.
Get this part separated for the crank. One. Got some engine queefs coming out these fucking bolts. Let's see if we catch it on film. Oh. Tyson had to get this goofy ass hammer to break this loose. It was on there real fucking good. But it's all good now. About to throw it on the table, show the crank, show the wear on that. Should be good.
Initial reaction of the bearings. It's got a weird mark on it.
Go to the crank, see what's up.
Yeah,
with
which
it.
side was that? That was over here. Crank. Let's spin it. Let's see. Nothing really on the crank. It's got some scoring on that one. For the rest, that one's better. Let's lift this crank out of here. Yeah, you can see it like starts on this one and then it just burns over to the other one. Cylinder walls are all good. Whole squirters look good. Good thing I'm gonna be getting coated bearings. Time to strip this down even more and throw it in the parts washer. Same with the heads.
Got that previous owner special wood screw in the door panel. He's taking the door panels off so he can get the mirrors adjusted a little bit better, and then we're also gonna put aerowolf visors on it, make it look real hot boy type shit. Big D install guy.
It's about to come off.
Oh yeah. Maintenance, aerowolf maintenance. Get it fit perfect.
Fit.
Heat gun and then kind of bend it up.
Gotta get a beauty shot of that.
That's the final product.
Won't even be able to turn the mirror the way I'll need it.
It's okay, it's for the flex.
It's just to look good, not for me driving the car every day or
That's
something. That's what I forgot to do before.
Big flexor, 3-piece. With the aerowolf. I'll hold it.
Yeah,
Final tidbits. We didn't really record the taking apart of this side, so that's boring as fuck. But we're gonna show you the finished product. This shot looks so crazy with the wide angle. Fill up as much of the frame. Both mirrors finished. Give you another peek at it now that both the doors are closed. Looks pretty sweet. Much needed if you have the GK Tex or the real fucking Gannon doors. In my book, I'd say that. Got both the aerowolves shining. Both look good. Now we're matching. Needed that. Any final words?
Pretty fire.
Definitely fire.